Walk into any gun store and ask for a hunting rifle. The salesman will show you 50 different options. He'll probably try to sell you the most expensive one on the rack. Here's what he won't tell you. Most of those expensive rifles don't shoot any better than guns costing half as much. Factory bolt actions have gotten so good that you can buy sub-MOA accuracy for under $500. That's minute of angle groups, 1 inch at 100 yards. The kind of accuracy that used to require a custom gunsmith. But not every bolt action is worth buying. Some have terrible triggers. Others won't feed reliably. The rifles on this list are different. They're proven in the field and shoot accurately out of the box. The Tikka T3X is a Finnish rifle that guarantees sub-MOA groups out of the box. That's an actual guarantee printed in the manual. And these rifles deliver. Tikka is owned by Beretta. They're made in the same factory that produces Sako rifles costing twice as much. The action is smooth, the trigger breaks cleanly at around 2 pounds, and the cold hammer-forged barrel shoots consistently. For hunting, the T3X is nearly perfect. Most models weigh around 6 pounds before you add a scope. That matters when you're hiking into the mountains. The bolt throw is short and smooth. The safety is positioned where your thumb naturally falls. Everything feels like it was designed by people who actually hunt. Street price sits around $700 to $900. You're getting accuracy that rivals custom rifles costing $3,000. Ruger figured out how to make an accurate bolt-action rifle for $450 through manufacturing efficiency and modern materials. The Ruger American uses a polymer stock and a simple action design. No fancy walnut, no hand checkering. Just a rifle that consistently shoots 1-inch groups. The secret is the free-floated barrel. It's button-rifled and doesn't touch the stock. That means the barrel vibrates consistently with every shot. Consistency equals accuracy. The trigger is adjustable and breaks cleanly enough for precision work. Hunters have used Ruger Americans to take everything from pronghorn to elk. The rifles hold 0 and feed reliably. They're available in calibers from .223 Remington up to .300 Winchester Magnum. The downside is purely cosmetic. It feels cheap in your hands. But when you're sitting on a ridge at 300 yards and the animal drops, nobody cares about stock material. Bergara started as a Spanish barrel maker supplying precision barrels to custom rifle builders. Then they decided to make complete rifles. What makes Bergara special is the barrel. These are match-grade button-rifled barrels made to competition specs. On the B14, that barrel costs $900 instead of $3,000. The B14 Hunter weighs around 7 pounds. The stock is fiberglass reinforced polymer. The action is a Remington 700 pattern, which means aftermarket parts are widely available. Most B14 rifles shoot half MOA groups with quality ammunition. That's half-inch groups at 100 yards. You can take this rifle to a precision match and compete, or you can take it elk hunting and make ethical shots at 400 yards. The trigger is a Trigger Tech unit that breaks cleanly with no creep. For someone who wants match-grade accuracy in a hunting weight rifle, the Bergara B14 hits a sweet spot few other factory rifles reach. Savage has been making accurate budget rifles for decades. The 110 Apex Hunter XP comes with a factory-mounted Vortex scope and shoots sub-MOA right out of the box. The key feature is Savage's AccuTrigger. It's adjustable from 2.5 to 6 pounds. For a factory trigger, it's excellent. The barrel is button-rifled and floated. The AccuStock has an aluminum bedding block that keeps the action properly supported. For a new hunter, this is ideal. You get the rifle, scope, and bases in one package. The rifle is accurate enough for any hunting situation in North America. The included Vortex scope is serviceable. Most buyers replace it eventually with something better, but having a complete package out of the box means you can start hunting immediately. Street price for the complete package sits around $600 to $700. That's exceptional value for a sub-MOA rifle with a usable scope included. The Browning X-Bolt represents premium factory rifles done right. The action uses 3 locking lugs instead of 2. That allows for a shorter bolt throw. Fast cycling matters when you need a follow-up shot. The bolt unlock button is positioned perfectly for your thumb. The trigger is Browning's feather trigger system. It's adjustable and breaks consistently. The barrel is free-floated and hand-chambered. The Inflex recoil pad genuinely reduces felt recoil. For hunting, the X-Bolt offers features that matter. The magazine sits flush with the stock. The safety is tang-mounted and easy to operate with gloves. The X-Bolt consistently shoots sub-MOA groups. Most shoot closer to 3/4 MOA with quality ammunition. Street price sits around $900 to $1,200. You're getting a rifle that'll outlast you and shoot accurately enough for any realistic hunting scenario. Weatherby is known for expensive Magnum rifles. The Vanguard is their affordable line made by Howa in Japan. It delivers accuracy that competes with anything in its price range. The Vanguard uses a Howa 1500 action based on the Remington 700 design. The trigger is adjustable and the barrel is guaranteed sub-MOA. What makes the Vanguard interesting is Magnum caliber availability. If you want a .257 Weatherby Magnum or .300 Weatherby Magnum without spending $3,000, the Vanguard is your answer. These are flat-shooting magnums capable of taking any game at extended ranges. The rifle comes with a Monte Carlo stock that helps manage recoil. Street price sits around $750 to $900. That's reasonable for a rifle capable of ethical kills on elk at 400 yards. Every rifle on this list shoots accurately enough for any hunting situation. They're reliable in field conditions, they're available in common calibers, and they're priced reasonably. Modern CNC manufacturing has made accuracy accessible. You don't need a custom rifle anymore, unless you're competing at the highest levels. For hunting, accuracy beyond 1 MOA is academic. An elk's vital zone is 18 inches across. At 300 yards, even a 2 MOA rifle puts every shot in the kill zone. All of these rifles shoot better than that. The best bolt action rifle is the one you'll actually take hunting. That means light enough to carry, accurate enough for ethical shots, and reliable enough to work when it matters. Subscribe to Firearm Decay for honest firearms reviews with no sponsorships and no BS.